taking the beauty of our culture, what we have, and creating this whole art.
And the world wants it.
Yes. The market is behind our dance is utmost phenomenal.
Jamaica's cultural influence, particularly music and dance on the international mainstream pop culture, is unmistakable. But what is perhaps most striking is the sparsity of Jamaicans taking ownership of this incredible incursion. My guest in this segment, through the discipline of dance, prides herself as the cultural ambassador, creative master, who goes beyond the ordinary to project the greatness of Jamaica's culture. She's here to help us right now, right here on our stage, to understand what's behind the sparsity of Jamaican faces exploiting this new paradigm in global music. Her name is Donna Ray, who is right now on our stage. Okay, so what are you most occupied with these days?
Well, I'm occupied with what is it now is pretty much structuring and creating a lifeline for our culture, pertaining to developing platforms. We have everybody swarming onto the culture. A lot of culture enthusiasts is swarming onto this film, this new thing, which is dancing, which is dancehall.
With your eyes on the international mainstream.
Absolutely.
Rules the nation with version.
The art form is phenomenal.
Welcome. Is this your first time in Sweden?
My second time, actually.
Second time.
Yeah, this is my second time in Sweden. We're here for Dundem for this segment, and we're here to talk about dancehall.
What is dancehall?
I'm going to let the CEO talk more about it.
Okay.
Dancehall is about attitude. It's an inborn spirit about Jamaica, Jamaica's people, Jamaica attitude, our story, way of life, the way of living. It's just pretty much what dancehall is, bringing out our experience of everyday life.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You are nobody. It's gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
What values are you promoting in dancehall?
I'm promoting the art. I want to uplift the art form. I want to bring out the art in dancehall. You know, right now it's an underground platform. We want to bring it to a mainstream, world-class platform.
It's to promote and attractiveness for the culture and to uplift it and to push it out there mainstream. You know what I mean? Elevate the whole art form.
A body that represents our culture, dance culture. You know, so we need something that embodies.
Hence why we wanted you to help us to send the word out there, because the talent is in abundance in Jamaica.
Very much so.
And you're right. Inner city youths who have it in abundance. You say what right now?
I say that we need to unite. We need to come together as a nation, as a dancers. We need to come together and understand what we have and foster it and protect it and cherish it, so our generations to come could understand we had a legacy that we left behind for you to take over and to keep the roots and our foundation alive.
Feel your passion, Donna Ray.
Yes.
It's so good to have you on our stage.
Thank you.
I hope our space, especially the youths in Jamaica, they're learning from this and they're preparing, ready to take it to them, so to speak. to take their rightful place, to hone what is theirs that is now inundating international mainstream music.